Can I get Spotify on Panasonic TV? Spotify is available on some Panasonic TVs, but its availability depends on the TV model and operating system. Panasonic Smart TVs run on different platforms, and some may not support a dedicated Spotify app. However, you can still use alternative methods to stream Spotify on your Panasonic TV. 1. Checking if your Panasonic TV supports Spotify. Not all Panasonic TVs come with a built-in Spotify app. If your TV runs on Android TV, you can install Spotify directly from the Google Play Store. However, if your TV uses My Home Screen, Firefox OS, or Chromecast via Connect, Spotify may not be available for direct installation. 2. Installing Spotify on Panasonic Android TV. If your Panasonic TV uses Android TV, follow these steps to install Spotify. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store from the home screen. Step 2. Type Spotify in the search bar. Step 3. Select the Spotify app and click Install. Step 4. Once installed, open the app and log into your Spotify account. 3. Using Chromecast or AirPlay to play Spotify on Panasonic TV. If your Panasonic TV does not have a native Spotify app, you can still stream it using Chromecast or AirPlay. For Chromecast, Step 1. Open the Spotify app on your phone. Step 2. Play a song and tap the Devices Available icon. Step 3. Select your Panasonic TV if it supports Chromecast. Step 4. The music will start playing on your TV. For AirPlay, Apple devices. Step 1. Open Spotify on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Step 2. Play a song and tap the AirPlay icon. Step 3. Choose your Panasonic TV to stream Spotify wirelessly. 4. Using external devices to play Spotify on Panasonic TV. If your Panasonic TV does not support Spotify directly, you can use external streaming devices. Amazon Fire Stick or Roku. Download the Spotify app and play it through these devices. Gaming consoles. Use PlayStation or Xbox to install and play Spotify on your TV. Bluetooth speakers. If your TV supports Bluetooth, connect it to a speaker playing Spotify. If your Panasonic TV supports Android TV, you can install Spotify directly. Otherwise, you can use Chromecast, AirPlay, or external streaming devices to enjoy Spotify on your TV.